everyone, it's Katie. So today I'll be making a flower, and it can also be any different color, and it is very easy to make. So let's get started. So right here is a very nice flower. It is pretty simple, but I will be making other ones. So for this you'll need Play-Doh. And the colors I'll be using today will be, so the colors I'll be using yellow, white, purple, and blue. And then the tools I'll be using will be something that you can roll with as a rolling pin, and I'll be using a marker, a knife, a spoon, a ice cream cone for the larger part, which is the center, and something that is slightly smaller than the circle that you'll be using, and these are going to be for your petals. I will be also using a spray bottle, so then just in case if the Play-Doh dries as we're working with the flowers, we can always spray it and it will be brand new. Okay, so right now I am going to be rolling and putting out some yellow Play-Doh for the center. Now I'm going to get my cone and just make one tiny little circle. So here is what it looks like. Okay, so now we are going to do the purple. And the knife is for making different designs on the petals and even the center. And you will be using about 6 of these depending on the size of the containers and all those other stuff you're using. Okay, so I think this is good, and now I'm just going to use the container. So I'll be using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I'm just going to pop out the circles. Okay, so I think that should be good. Okay, so you can see that the purple is just really slightly smaller than the yellow. So now I'm just going to layer them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm just going to press them. So here is one flower. So now we are going to make another flower, but this time using different colors and designs. So you can see the flowers right there. Okay, so now we are going to use some more yellow. And I'm just going to begin rolling. Okay, so now we're going to get the cone and so now, instead of just having an ordinary yellow one, I'll be using some more colors. So I'm going to be using also blue. And this time, I'm going to be using the knife. Okay. So for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure it, or just make another one. but then I'm not going to layer it. I'm just going to make and cut it out. So this one is starting to get dry, and all you have to do is just start to spray it like that, and it should be brand new. It's going to be a little bit slippery but shiny. So I want to start to make a zigzag. Just like that. And I'm also going to make another one, but beneath it. There. So here's what the zigzag looks like. And I'm going to put it right on the middle, just like that. So you can see that the water has dried, but now it's in the Play-Doh, so it's not, the Play-Doh's not dried. So for the petals, I'm going to use it as white. And I think one more scoop should be great. I think that would be good for 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I'm going to do this one again. And I also do want to tell you that I do flip this over just because I like this side because it's like bulkier and like fatter. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it looks like we don't really need, so I think I'm just going to arrange it, because to me it seems like I put it way too in. Okay, so I think we still don't need 6. So this time this one is 5, so we didn't need this one. So I think this one is starting to get dry again, so I think I'm just going to spray it again. Okay, so I think that would look good. So this time I'll be using pretty much 3 colors, but first I'll be using yellow, of course. So I'll be making only 2 more because the last one is going to be a smaller one, because you have noticed that this spoon does have a hole in it. So this spoon is actually smaller than the thing, so I think that should be good. So here's what it looks like. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna make another purple. So now the scoop. And this is just gonna be the bottom layer of the center. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using the cone again. Okay, so somehow to me it seems like that I was thinking about this, so then, this, so that I used it instead. So now I'm going to have to make another one instead. So now what I have done is, So now what I have done is I layered it, and now I'm going to do some designs of it. And this time I'll be using stripes. And then now I will be also using the purple. Just like that. Okay, so I didn't really know why I made this, and I put this on top somehow, because I wasn't really thinking about that, so this I don't need. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to line these up with the blue sticky. Okay, so like right there. And then I'll be cutting some stripes. So this we don't need. And now these are little pieces. So I'm just going to put them on here. So this is what it looks like, and now I'm just going to put some more. And now the blue. So here's what the stripes look like now. So I was thinking that instead of doing a flower for this one, let's just make it look like something like a design, because it looks really cool by itself. So now the last one is going to be making a little one, and this one could be just simple, but I'll be doing a little design for the petals. And for the petals, I think I'll be using, I think I will be making little polka dots. Oh yeah, we're using this one actually. So this one we don't need, the big one. So this one we need, this one we don't. Now we are going to make the petals, and for the petals, I'll be probably making it also yellow. So I added 4 petals, and now I'm going to add maybe another 4 or 3. So I added 3 more. And now I'm going to make some white polka dots, and they're going to be pretty small. So here's what it looks like. And here's all the stuff we have made today. So we have a flower and another flower and this polka dot flower. And this one is like more like a design or a circle. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.